Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an founder ka TIPRA motha Pradyot Bikram Manikya de Barma uloong bakathan chatay lammi ngi kadon kamban long Kawei kasur politik ladaka kwa bakasor karteng kan shimkhya shisha ya gijing e ba gijing dawa jong kathan habakran hakajing yakran patba u Pradyot ulabatai bala bun snem kathan chatay lammi ngi kalamat jingma nang ta jingja ngai hakajing ya lenti jongka namar baki patba bat kinong yalam kathan kimjia serngiu bat kitrei tang kli kemen kani uong kala pensu lakam ya kabor jingpran jingki jela hakliang jingka sorkar pedeng u Pradyot ula ong baka sorkar Delhi kan sngap tang haba kadon kabor jingedon lang bat kawi ke jingmon haba ki jela jingka than chatei lamingi ki kran da ki jingmut bapher kalong ka basuk ya ka sorkar pedeng ban penslem ne pendukun ya ki jingdawa jingka than Henry lada ki jela ki long Kawei ka sorkar pedeng kan ha ban shimrai ka bashai halor ula ong shu ba kani ka jingkar pat kam dei ban thau da Kawei ka party ne da Kawei ka lama Henry ban nong Kawei ka sur ban pinmi ya ki mat badon kam tam ya ki pat ba u Pradyot ulama ham ya ki nong yalam ka than ba kim dei ban hap sha ka jing ya kran lama ne ki jing ya party ula ong ba ka jing perkhat masi bad kidak jing ithu party kim wan ra jing shngan sha ki pat ba kajingkit kli jengki de banong halor kalawei jengki khun ki hajar Riewlum ki banang du jaka du pot bat du ktien riti u Pradyot ula ong shai ka ILP kala ai jingmentoi ye ki jela kum ka Mizoram ban Nagaland banyada ye ki Riewlum kum ta ka wei pat ki jela ru ki di ban pet ye kani kajingwan rung tu kala pen kala ye kajingbam jaka bat kajinglong pat ka than ha ki babun ki jaka kum ta ka don kam kajing pet ngor ka baskem Hok jaka kadai ka jing im bakong santam haki Riewlum bat kadai banong ka balait lut na ka jing thiet be an. Ka jingdu jingsan jing ki Riewlum kala jalai na ka jing kiu pat bar jela jingdu an riti bat jing terkhong ki jaka. Kumta kidai bandon ki rukom pene pensa ka basyong niya. U Pradyot ula kerpat ikinong yalam jing ka Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Sikkim bat Arunachal Pradesh ba kinong Kawei pakiwei Hakajing ya don lada long Kawei kathan kana bani kren langi ka sorkar pedeng da kasur ka baskem ula kenturu ikiseng pat ba ke samla pulie ki rang ba shnong bat kinong yalam shnong bakin kershan ya kene ke jingtmu lada ya telli Delhi kan sngap lada ya pher nginang sa din haga bokut Pradyot ula ong lada ngilong Kawei ka sorkar pedeng kan om don lat ban penslam hendai lada ngia pher ki jing e jangi kinwan sa ya ki pateng banwan
I think we are all discussing and we are going to come out with a proper entity. We'll do it in a very measured and a balanced way. And there are many things. Name is not important. What is important is the people. The people's issues have to be delivered. Whether it is inner line permit, whether it is illegal migration from Bangladesh or for other neighboring countries, whether it is about our land rights, whether it is about what we do with our next generation. We are all, if you go to Delhi, does anyone know who's from Meghalaya, who's from Tripura, who's from Nagaland, who's from Manipur? They all call us by Northeasterners or Chinkis or sometimes Momos or Nepalis. But when we come back to our home, we become divided as Hindu and Christians. We get divided as Garos and Khasis, Maitais and Kukis. That is unfortunate, and we have to tell our people that till the time we keep on fighting and saying the same thing, but from different platforms, nobody will take us seriously. And if we have to negotiate with Delhi, we have to do it from a position of strength. Our numbers are less. Some of our states have even less population than one district in UP and Bihar. But if we can come together, then New Delhi will also have to take us more seriously. And that is my only aim. I think that the only way we can be taken more seriously is if New Delhi cannot divide us. So I think that is the agenda.
Well, whether the party will have different symbols.
Would you like to join this new party of mine? If you want to, then I will privately talk to you. But publicly, I'm not going to say anything right now, madam, because I know कि मीडिया कैसा घुमा के चला के कर सकता है. लेकिन अभी तो आप असम से हैं, तो अभी जुबिन कर के बारे ज्यादा ध्यान दीजिए. उसका पोस्टमार्टम क्या होगा? I will talk about one thing. Whenever this happens, both Congress and BJP will have to listen to us more seriously. And I think that is what we should be standing up for, and not for symbols and names and all that. These are red herrings. These are things which is just there to divide us even further. Let us talk about solving our problems. Why isn't a single question being asked about inner line permit? Why isn't a single question being asked about Citizenship Amendment Act? Why isn't a single question being asked about our land rights? Why isn't a single question being spoken about illegal migration? So what about delimitation after 2026? What will be our share in the parliament when North India will get another 100 MPs, South India will get 50 MPs? How much will our share go up? All these things are questions which media should ask, but you are only asking questions because it is convenient right now.
Well,
But I'll say it with a smile. आपका confusion चला जाएगा.
One thing, both Sam, are there any representatives in your
Daniel Langthasa is a Dimasa. If the Assam people think that Daniel Langthasa is not an Assam,
I'm not saying okay.
so we are talking to other people. But right now, Daniel Langthasa is one we are talking to. We are speaking to people from Karbi Anglong. I myself went in campaign for Hagrama in Bodoland. So the tribals of Assam also need to be the indigenous people. I wouldn't say the word tribal is wrong, because the Meiteis are also indigenous, the Boros are also indigenous, the Karbis and the Dimasas are also indigenous. So the Thai Ahoms are also indigenous. So we are talking to them, and when the right time comes, we will announce it.
this since you
Gorkhas are indigenous. Why we are forgetting Gorkhas? So Gorkhas are indigenous.
since you have mentioned about
Rabas, Hajongs, Koch.
since you have mentioned about inner line permit,
Huh.
so how, because we have seen the center is mum on implementing ILP here in Meghalaya. How are
Why
you,
only Meghalaya? Even in Tripura.
so how are you going to take it up, center? What
When we are all one, they better pay attention to us. It's not this center. Even when Congress was in center, they did not pay attention to and I was in Congress, and I was a very loyal congressman. But I know in national parties, ma'am, let me tell you, when a chief minister from Northeast goes and has to wait for 10 days to get an appointment, is that fair on the people of Northeast? Where is the self-respect gone? But if we are one, they better give us appointment. They better listen to us. Or the people will answer. And our people want us to be strong. Our people don't want us to be weak. Because everyone has self-respect. It's not only the chief ministers or the ministers or the MPs who have self-respect. Even a poor Kawei seller in Motran has self-respect. And we need to speak for them as well as we are talking about other people.
So this will entail all the parties merging into one entity.
You can call it amalgate. Amalgamation is a better word. The three rivers amalgate in India, right? Amalgamation is a better word. I think instead of calling it the word merger, I think amalgamation, because you take something out of me, I take something out of, I give something from my side to you, you give something from your side to me. I think the word amalgamation is a better word than merger.
So
Because we
despite-
do not want to destroy each other's distinct identities.
So despite of